Hello and welcome my friend, and next I have issue that why my BMW car would not start when I install my key and I press start button. Nothing happens, everything is dead. Okay, what is wrong now in my car? Normally the most common issue is that our battery is empty, and let's go to recharge this my battery. Okay, and how I can charge my BMW cars this empty car battery, this 12 voltage battery? What I need? I need firstly to purchase good quality smart charger, and in USA we can get these chargers like in Amazon.com or some auto store shopping places. And this is really charger where are those two cables. This is red for plus and this is minus areas, these connectors. And we need then electricity that we can plug in this cable, but this is really 12 voltage smart charger what is full automatic. And then we have to find this position where is this BMW's battery, and there is switch in that area what I rotate a little bit in that way, and then I pull out this cover away in this way. And here we can see battery, and next part is to find these positions where we connect these cables. Okay, and this is easy. And firstly we have to find this plus cable, and it is hidden in here, and when I bend this side area in that way we can see in here this red cable, and this red cable is this plus areas cable in here, in that position. It is protective, and I have to now connect this my red cable in here. This is this first step, that I connect this my chargers, this red cable in here, and do not install this power cable yet, but I install this red cable in this nut and bolt in here, in metal contact in this way. And then I have this minus cable, and this minus cable I connect in this another LED area what is in here. This minus area is in here, a little bit in back area in this position, and now I connect this one in here. And final part is to connect this my smart charger. This is full automatic charger in electricity, and after that I have to wait about at least 5 hours or 20 hours that this my battery is full loaded. And when we are using these good new smart chargers, there is this digital meter like in cell phones, that when these bars are full, then my battery is full charge. And now everything looks good, and final step is to install this my electric cables in here, in that way. And then I need to only wait that these areas, all bars, they are full. And it is, in my case, it is almost like full, but I have to wait so long that all bars are in ready, and or that I wait about 5 to 10 hours that this my battery charger will be ready. And now I have to wait so much, and after that, when I have waited these 5 to 10 hours for the charging, I stop this charging so that I disconnect these cables, and I take my charger cables, both of these away in that area, both cables. And now this charging is ready. I unplug these things, and so easy is this battery charging. And final part is to install this cover back in there. Thank you.